Hey guys, Snoop here, back with another video, and today's 17th, so you get a diamond and a Jamaaliday scarf. Okay. Got magenta. Didn't really like that colour, this colour, but you know what? It's life. And today is also the rare item Monday, but I keep on spending my gems, which is like, I don't really use this, but it's really. It's like, yeah, it's a right on Monday, so just deleting stuff I don't really use. Like, okay, I don't need these matchbox heads, so get rid of it. So I believe it's in Epic Wonders, so okay, went to the wrong store. So let's go up here, and you'll probably see the difference because everyone's crying around here. And it is rare Jamaaliday tail ribbon. Pretty cool, but I am going to be sticking to the colour that I do have. I'm going to be getting, oh my god, okay. Loads of stuff has come out. So, just going to be getting pretty much all of it. Okay, where the hell am I going to put this? Maybe if I get rid of like, yeah, that goes there quite nicely. Then maybe can put this next here, then put that there. And then maybe I could put the Jamaaliday bird feeder. Maybe if I put this here, and maybe put that there, I can put this right here. And then life is good again. But yeah, I've nearly got I'm nearly like, what's it? But yeah, pretty much. Going toxic nightmare. What? Oh, it's probably the glitch one. Nothing. Okay. Off. Aphmel. One of my best buddies. I don't know why I keep looking at straight. Toxic nightmare. What a very, 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 very mean name. It's a mean name. But yes, yeah, it's pretty cute. It's pretty cool. Today's room. Also, if you're wondering where you get this rare snowman in a box, basically, these go, this is like one lifetime thing, but you need to go, okay, wrong thing. You need to go up here, and they kind of trick you. But, yeah, that's how you get it. I don't know why it's rare, but, it is rare for a reason. Don't know why, just is. So pretty much it's going to be it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.